say
User-generated viral content and fraud
for one of
investigators
our PSA lah, sebenarnya ini PSA yang cepat.
integrity and ethical use of
Dan tadi semua muka-muka ni semuanya AI makers. So dengan ini Astro Awani kita sudah start kita punya journey 2 years ago.
We take responsibility for the ethical use of AI, sustainable, just, and equitable with Geo.
So 2 tahun lepas
companies get the financing. Unfortunately, we realized that most of the companies that wanted the financing couldn't get it because they didn't have a business plan. So we were tasked by the government, by SME Bank, to help them build their business plan. Yeah. So next. Alright. So this is what we do. We help SMEs to grow through our product called ESR, Economic Sustainability Roadmap. They have to be sustainable, ESG, don't worry too much about all the jargons. The other one is, once you identify how you want to be sustainable, how you can be sustainable, what you need, money, you need market access, you need system, we can help you. Yeah, so these are the pillars of how we function, how we help SMEs. So we call ourselves growth architect. Next. Okay, these are the product group, Economic Sustainability Roadmap is a 5-year business plan, and then ESG and capital is funding, Amplify is training, Rapid is digitalization, Deal is market access. We connect companies to other companies. Yeah. Story is we are a partner of Astro Awani. They will tell your story for you. Next. Okay, this is our collective intelligence model. We do not go one by one. We do not go and to your office say, can we introduce your